from North Caloocan has visited us here in the MPBL.
Ano yan ah?
Oo, one of the more respected referees that we've had here in the country.
Yeah.
And I want to give a shout out to his son, Rich Kilingin, who is my player, my point guard. Hindi ko nang pagalitan, coach, pero ikaw ang ano.
Oo.
Sabi ko, pag pwede tayo matuto ng basketball, sumama ka.
Correct.
Baka may lakad nga naman. Galicia able to finish with a 2.
Jacob Galicia. You gotta put your hand up. Jeff Mandais right around the corner where he scores.
Baclaan trying to dance with the defense. That was blocked. Back in action here in the MPBL on Saturday. Abangan natin ang ating All-Star game which will happen in Montalban, Rizal. But now, Jerome Garcia down low. Well read once again. How many steals have you watched in the ball game? Both teams have combined for 7 steals.
Yeah. 5 of 10 from Pasig. Oh boy, I thought he had a shot.
Lahat on the trail. It's good for Romel Kalahat.
Well, I correct myself. That loss against the Gensan Warriors. Harvey was defending and making things difficult for the other guys as Harvey right there knocks down a 3. I mean, I tell you, Harvey Pagsanhan was very solid contributor for them.
Parang may earpiece, no? Parang pinag-uusapan na rin naman nila na marami akong kayang gawin. Eh, makita ko na rin na kaya kong ipasok yan from downtown. Low post. Kimanilari. Fader against Warlo Batak is good for Kimanilari.
Well, yeah, we spoke about this earlier.
No good. Patas ni Matias gets the rebound. Escobar and Ladi. Ladi through the middle! Looking like a little bit like a Julius Irving. Oh! What a pass by Jay Gars, but blocked
my goodness.
by Ronnie Matias. Now Kimanilari tries to run. Kimanilari, bomb, basket, bonus for Kimanilari.
Gonna take accountability for it, but I'm sure internally, you know, he's addressing where else can they make certain improvements. As Kaimani Ladi, I tell you, medium range, he has not missed.
Goes to Kimanilari. Kimani. Another fader from the midi, and it's
Get
still
out
good
of
for Kimanilari. But there's an
something.
extra something about this ball game and Kimanilari. Prince, it's a deep drive. Prince Casin, second try, good for Prince.
Oh, steal.
They run it. Casin, all the way for Prince Casin. Either well defended by Irvin Palencia. They go down low post. Manlangit gets the steal.
Pasig has yet to break the double-digit scoring here in a second.
Manlangit stops, pops, and drops for JJ Manlangit.
That's why we were saying, if you are Pasig and you want to be Caloocan, you have to be very efficient.
Si Lopez. 2 seconds. Mark Lopez. He's a little
Looks
opening.
good.
Can't get it to go is Mark Lopez. And that ends our first half. It's a 51-33 lead.